So hello friends, today we'll be talking about how to take care, maintain, clean and lubricate your instruments and extend their life. This is a very common question that everybody asks. The instruments which we use for endoscopy are very expensive. Today I will tell you some tips and tricks how to clean, sterilize these sensitive instruments so that you can extend their life and use them for a prolonged period. Like, share and subscribe for more medical insights. If you have any questions or topics you want us to cover, comment below. We'd be happy to create a video for you. This is Dr. Varun Agarwal, specialist in advanced robotics and endoscopic spine surgery. So before we start cleaning the instruments and sterilizing the instruments, we should have these common things with us. So this is normal saline which we use to clean and irrigate the instruments. This is Avalon, which is a little soapy in nature and it is used to again clean the instruments. The spirit to wipe the instruments. We have a syringe to flush the instruments with these solutions. This is a lubricant, which is a medical grade lubricant which you can purchase online. It is not very expensive, and these caps can fit over it for different instrument. One is for the drill and the other you can see this conical for putting in the lower lock of the instruments. This is another important thing, which is an air gun, which is used to dry the instruments after cleaning, and some gauzes and mops.